With the rest of the pinto beans that I did not put in the freezer, I'm going to try these refried beans. I don't know if I've ever really made refried beans before, but it seems simple enough. I'm gonna just use some onions that I had in the freezer and my pre-chopped or pre-minced garlic, and I just love this stuff because it's so easy, and a little bit of oil, and then season with some salt, and it says oregano. So we'll give it a try. I added a little water into them to make them a little runnier because they seemed a little dry, and they needed salt for sure. And they taste kind of healthy because of the onions and the garlic in them, but I think they're good. And I don't know, I guess it's definitely more work than opening the can. The church used to distribute these dehydrated beans, and they always had a little bit of a weird aftertaste, so I think I like these better.